Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make tasty pizza on Stovetop with Rotis. Take cooked chapatis or rotis. If you have a Rotimatic, make rotis with the thick setting. Spread your favorite marinara sauce or pizza sauce on top. Spread shredded mozzarella cheese. Spread any grilled veggies and meat that you like. Now place this on a hot grill or tawa and cook on medium heat until the cheese melts. You have to be careful not to do high heat because that will start burning the roti at the bottom. When the cheese melts, your tasty Stovetop pizza is ready to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.